Hello, everyone. Welcome to the class of E-Plan and Electrical Control Technology. In the previous course, we drew an electrical schematic diagram of the elevator control system. Engineers can carry out on-site installation and maintenance easily according to the diagram. However, in case of heavy workload and many wires on-site, to facilitate installation and maintenance comparison, we often need to mark the number of each wire in the electrical diagram, which not only improves work efficiency, but also avoids errors due to heavy workload. E-Plan has the function of one-click automatic numbering. When modifying drawings, we can flexibly use that function only for the added part. It removes the trouble of manually editing wire numbers in traditional electrical design, which is time-consuming and can easily cause errors of repeated names, so it greatly improves drawing efficiency. Next, let's learn how to number wires with E-Plan. When it comes to numbering, we have to mention the concepts of connection and connection definition point. In E-Plan, the automatic wiring between two components is called a connection. In an electrical diagram, it can represent wires, cable cores, jumpers, etc. A connection definition point is used to define connection properties and describe the connecting media, such as wires and cables, between two connection points. For example, the numbering of connecting wires is realized through the potential definition point. When the wire number in the schematic diagram is irregular, it is necessary to manually insert the connection definition point of the wire and mark the number for each wire. When it is regular, the automatic numbering function can be used to mark the wire number. Therefore, E-Plan provides both manual numbering and automatic numbering. The specific operations are as follows. First, use the manual numbering function to number the control schematic diagram. Select Insert and Connection Definition Point from the menu bar, or directly click on the Connection Definition Point icon in the toolbar and press backspace on the keyboard. Select graphic symbols for the connection definition point in the pop-up symbol selection dialog box. Let's take the first one as an example. Click OK to insert the connection definition point in the wire. Enter the connection code 1 and click OK to manually complete the numbering of the first wire. All other wire numbers shall be manually entered one by one. However, for complex electrical projects with a large number of wires, manual numbering is less efficient and prone to errors. In such case, we consider using the automatic numbering function. One-click automatic numbering can greatly improve the efficiency of numbering and prevent errors caused by excessive wires. Therefore, in actual generation, we generally choose automatic numbering. One-click automatic numbering only requires two steps. First, place the wire number mark. Second, name the wire number. Create an automatic numbering page and copy the schematic diagram of the control circuit to that page for automatic numbering. The specific operations are as follows. Select the whole control circuit page and click Project Data, then Connection, then Number, then Placement in the menu bar. When the dialog box of Placing Connection Definition Point pops up, click the extension after Setting to open the Settings Connection Number dialog box. Click the Configuration drop-down menu. Configuration refers to the naming rule of connection number. You can select the numbering rule already defined by the system or customize the naming rule of connection number. Common numbering rules are as follows. 1. Signal-based. It means that all connections with the same signal are numbered with the same connection code. 2. Potential-based. It means that all connections with the same potential are numbered with the same connection code. 3. Connection-based. It means that a new connection code needs to be added for each connection. We choose the connection-based numbering rule. The specific operation steps are as follows. Click OK. And we can see that all the wires drawn on the control circuit page are provided with wire number marks. But the marks are 4 question marks. So next, we need to replace the question marks with numbers. The operation method is to select the drawing page and define the naming rule through project data, then connection, then number, then name. Select connection based in the setting and the start value and incremental value default to be 1. The starting value of 1 means that the wire number starts from 1. The increment of 1 means that the number increases by 1 for each wire added. Here are some examples. Starting from 1 with increment of 1, numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Starting from 10 with increment of 1, numbers are 10, 11, 12, 13. Starting from 1 with increment of 2, numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7. Let's move on to the next step. Click Extension after Setting to modify the naming rule. Click Placement and change the placement number method to once per connection. Click Name and select Regular Connection. Click Edit. Click Subcounter. Select the counter and click Edit to modify the minimum digit, thus determining the final display digit of the number. If the project is complex and there are numerous wires, the minimum digit should be at least 2. Finally, adjust the direction of numbering. Generally, the main circuit will be numbered by rows, while the control circuit will be numbered by columns. Since we are numbering the control circuit, select Numbering by Columns and click OK. In this way, the automatic numbering of the entire control circuit is completed. If you do not want to display the number or renumber it, you need to delete the previous number. The specific operation method is to click Project Data, then Connection, then Number, then Delete, and then click OK. If you just want to rename the number, there is no need to delete the number. Just click Name. Everyone, we have learned 2 methods of numbering wires in the schematic diagram with ePlan in this lesson. Through comparison, we find that manual numbering is time-consuming and error-prone, while one-click automatic numbering is efficient and not easy to make errors, and can also customize numbering rules. Therefore, we generally choose automatic numbering. Have you got it? That's all for today. See you next time.